out of a mission.
Menteri Ketnat Puli Putih ke Jylla rakam isang mahinin kesengi uloong bagi sorka Jylla kelayo pliang ya ke jingpen sengau nagi sapulai teli ki college akeleng ke Jylla bat kumbalai pulai teli ki empat long ki pynkhreh ban pyntreikam ya ke National Education Policy ahajar arpo kemansupan kan mau hang ni ke kendai terik menta ubnai Vice Chancellor ke Nehu Professor PS Shukla ula pembina ban sedang pyntreikam no ya ke National Education Policy ahajar arpo naga benta ki samla puli undergraduate nadu ke shiterik unailar aja apulai. Nakaliang ke Meghalaya College Teachers Association ani MCTA ke laong bakarai ban pyntreikam ya ke NEP ajar arpo ki college undergraduate da Vice Chancellor ke Nehu nak benta ke senam puli ajar apulai apusau ke long ke bekendit bat ke bamla ban pediang. Akawai kaliang ke Northeastern Hill University Students Union dan Nehu Su kala lej banyak kendu yo Menteri Ketnat Puli Putih urakam sangma ban pensengau hau ban pynkhreh no ya ke jing pyntreikam ya ke NEP nak benta usnam ajar apulai arposau.
Vice Chancellor Northeastern Hill University of Wales to communicate, to discuss length and breadth with the head of institutions, and after having all the discussion, Nehu have come up this idea and told the state government that there is a provision for hybrid mode. That means any institutions wants to go ahead, they can be, and any institutions are not ready, they can defer till next year. This is what they have told us, and within our state we have received the input, the letters from 43 colleges, out of which about 33 numbers of colleges are not ready to implement this year.
Menteri Ketnat ke KHASI Dr.